Congratulations on your engagement. Hey, listen, no matter where you are in the planning process, it's never too early to think about the steps you need to take to obtain your marriage license. And that's what today's video is going to be all about. So stay tuned into the end. We'll give you some information on a great download, and of course, we'll give you some great tips on how to obtain your marriage license. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe below. Also hit the little bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when we put out a new video. And we always welcome your comments. So please, down in the comments, ask us questions, tell us if you like what we're doing, because we want to know what you want to know so we can help you out. Getting your marriage license may seem like a daunting task, but it really isn't. So we're going to give you all the tips in this video, and at the end you can download a cheat sheet so you'll know exactly what you need to do. Before diving into the steps, there are some things that you should know about obtaining a marriage license here in Florida. Florida residents have a 3-day waiting period after applying for a marriage license before they can marry. Alternatively, residents may take a 4-hour counseling session. Those who do so will receive a small discount on the license, and then their license will be valid immediately. Non-residents are not subject to the waiting period or the counseling session. So if you are flying here or driving here to get married in Florida, don't worry, you can get your marriage license instantaneously and you'll be ready to have your wedding. The current cost of a marriage license is $93.50, and this is subject to a $3.99 credit card processing fee. Lastly, for both residents and non-residents, the marriage license must be used within 60 days of applying. Okay, now that we know all of this info, let's talk about the steps to applying for one. The first option is in person at the county courthouse. Couples can obtain a marriage license at any county courthouse in the state of Florida for use anywhere in the state of Florida. Blood tests are not required, and both parties must be 18 or older unless accompanied by a guardian. Proper identification is necessary, such as a driver's license, certified copy of birth certificate, or passport. If a previous marriage ended in divorce within the past 90 days in the state of Florida, or in the past year outside of the state, a copy of the divorce decree is required. Both parties must be present to obtain the license and have a copy of their Social Security card as applies. Option number 2 is via mail. We use a service called Married by Mail, and it can help obtain your license at various times prior to the wedding. So more than 60 days out, 31 to 60 days prior, or under 30 days. And each of those options has various price ranges. This is the easiest route to take because they will do everything for you. Licenses can even be mailed to the Just Married team, so you don't have to worry about anything. And if you want more information on this service, be sure to check out our blog post about it. Option 3 is via mail on your own. Brevard County in South Florida offers a service where you can send in your application. Brevard County will send you all of the documents you need to complete, and then you'll send it back completed, notarized forms along with payment, and Brevard County will mail you the license. It happens within 60 days, so you can't do it any sooner than that. There you have it. Now you have all the steps you need to take to obtain a marriage license in the state of Florida. And don't forget, if you're getting married in a different state, what you need to do may be different. So please be sure to check out the marriage license rules in the state where you're getting married. Now don't forget to download our free guide. It's in the description below. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our video. And if you hit that little bell, you'll get notified every Wednesday when we release a new video. So with that, you've got all the information you need on getting that Florida marriage license, and we will see you in the next video.